Hi, this is Veronica, and I'm going to show you how to connect with others at NASAGA 2022. This is how the app looks on the website, and you can see connections right here. This is a list of the people that you're already connected to, but it doesn't let you add people here. You add people in a couple different ways. The most fun way is to do it on your phone, to click this shake button right here and then shake or tap. If you both shake your phones at the same time, you should connect, or you can tap your phones together. Another way is to go to the attendees. Here's how it looks on your phone, and then there's just an add button. Or on the website, you can go to attendees here and you see the same ad. Once you're connected, you'll see everyone that you've connected to, even at past conferences if you've been with us before. And you can send messages, video chat, do a lot of different things. Here's how it looks on your phone. So please use the app to communicate with folks, and it'll be a lot easier even than having to swap phone numbers for regular texts. Hope this has been helpful, and have a great NASAGA.